The 2026 Suzuki New Alto arrives with a refreshed design that keeps its compact identity while adding a more modern and stylish touch. The front of the car features a redesigned grille and sharper headlights that give it a more confident and updated look. The body lines are smoother, improving aerodynamics and making the car look cleaner from the side. At the rear, the taillights have been slightly redesigned to match the new overall style. Despite being a small car, the new Alto feels more premium than previous models while still maintaining its simple and practical character, making it perfect for urban driving. Inside the cabin, Suzuki has focused on comfort and practicality. The dashboard layout is clean and easy to use, with better quality materials than older versions. In higher variants, there is a digital display and a touchscreen infotainment system that supports Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, and smartphone integration. The seats are designed for daily comfort, providing good support for city driving. Although it is a compact car, the interior space feels well managed, offering decent legroom for front passengers and enough headroom for most occupants. The boot space is suitable for daily groceries or small luggage, making it useful for everyday needs. In terms of performance, the 2026 Suzuki Alto continues to focus on fuel efficiency and smooth driving rather than high power. It is equipped with a small but efficient engine that performs well in city conditions. The lightweight body helps improve fuel economy and makes the car easy to handle in traffic. Acceleration is smooth for daily commuting, and the steering is light, which makes parking and maneuvering in tight spaces very easy. This car is ideal for people who drive mostly in urban areas and want to save money on fuel. Safety has also been improved in the new Alto. Suzuki has added important features such as dual front airbags, anti-lock braking system, electronic brake force distribution, and seatbelt reminders. Higher trims may include rear parking sensors and other helpful driving aids. These updates make the 2026 Alto safer than earlier models and more competitive in its segment. While it may not offer advanced safety technologies found in more expensive cars, it provides essential protection for everyday driving. One of the biggest strengths of the 2026 Suzuki Alto is its affordability. Suzuki aims to keep the Alto as one of the most budget-friendly cars in the market. The low purchase price, combined with excellent fuel economy and low maintenance costs, makes it a very attractive option for first-time buyers, students, and families looking for a reliable second car. The compact size also makes it perfect for crowded cities where parking space is limited. Another unique selling point is Suzuki's strong reputation for reliability and easy availability of spare parts. Owners can expect low service costs and long-term durability, which adds great value over time. The Alto is also known for its strong resale value in many markets, making it a smart financial choice. In conclusion, the 2026 Suzuki New Alto continues to be a practical, affordable, and efficient city car with a refreshed design and improved features. It offers modern styling, a comfortable interior, excellent fuel economy, essential safety features, and low ownership costs. While it may not be designed for high-speed performance or luxury, it perfectly meets the needs of daily commuters and budget-conscious buyers. For anyone looking for a reliable and economical small car in 2026, the new Suzuki Alto remains a strong and sensible choice.